Good morning, students. Welcome to Digital World of Pathania Public School. In previous lecture, we learned logic gates. In logic gates, we have already learned NOT gate and OR gate. Today we learn AND gate. The AND gate can have two or more than two input signals, two or more than two input signals and produce one output signal. In AND gate, you can input two or more than two signals, but only one output signal will be produced. When all the input are 1, that is high, 1 means high, 0 means low. When all the input are 1, that is high, then the output is 1, otherwise output is 0 only. So in AND gate, you can draw the symbol of AND gate. You can draw the gate of AND. For example, you have two inputs X and Y. If you have two variables are there, X and Y, then you can write down X, Y, then you can draw just straight line, and after that you can draw in this way, and output only single output here, and always the output of AND gate in multiplication form. So you can input X, you can input Y, your output is X into Y means XY here. Or when you denote this symbol of AND gate, here you can write down just F. If three inputs are there, for example, one is your X, second is your Y, and third one is your Z here, then you can draw one line for X, second line for Y, and third line for Z here, and after that you can just draw like this, and the output is X, Y, Z. So here you can input two variables, here you can input three, and output only one. This the one is, and here output only one. So in AND gate you can input two or more than two signals, and always it produce output in one signal. Okay. For example, if you have four variables, then how to draw the four variable AND gate? Just you can write down W, or you can write down A, B, C, D as you want. Write down A, B, C, D, and then you can draw line for A, B, C, and D, and after that you can connect all these like this, and you can simple draw like, and your output is A, B, C, and D, and here you can write down F. This is the AND gate for four variables, this is the AND gate for three variables, and this is the AND gate for two variables. Now how to write the truth table of these AND gates? For example, first we write down the truth table of two inputs. So you can just write down X, Y, and here you can write down F. F means your output, F means your complete AND gate. So you can first write down 2 0. Everyone know about this truth table. How to write this? 0 1 0 1. In AND gate you can multiply both the inputs. X 0, Y is also 0, and multiplication is 0. 0 1 multiply 0, 1 multiply with 0 again 0, and 1 multiply with 1 always 1. So this is the truth table for AND gate of only two variables. When two variables are there, when two inputs are there, then you can write the truth table like this. But if you have three variables or three inputs, then you can write X, Y, Z, first time 4 zeros, and this is your truth table of 3 variables, and everyone know about that. These are the possible combinations of the variables, and 2 0 2 1. Many times we explain how to write this truth table and what do we mean by the truth table. So just you can write down here 3 variables truth table, and after that find out here AND gate. 0 multiply 0 0, and 0 multiply with 0 again 0. 0 multiply 0 0, and 0 multiply 1 is equal to 0. 0 multiply 1 0, and 0 multiply 0 again 0. 0 multiply 1 0, and 0 multiply 1 again 0. 1 multiply 0 0, and 0 multiply 0 again 0. 1 multiply 0 0, and 0 multiply 1 again 0. 1 multiply 1 1, and 1 multiply 0 again 0. 1 multiply with 1 1, and 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. So this is the truth table for 3 variables. Clear everyone? If two inputs are there, then you can draw the truth table with 2 variables. If 3 inputs are there, then you can draw the truth table of 3 variables. This is your AND gate symbol and AND gate truth table. So now let's do the example number 5, page number 60. Let's start. Example 5. In example number 5, the statement is, from the expressions given below, identify the logic gates that can implement such expression. Here you can just find out the gate. Here you can find out the name of the gate. Your first question is X, Y, Z. So multiplication is there, your AND gate, and always gates write in capital letters, so you can write down A and D gate. Okay, in second question your statement is Y complement, and complement means not gate, so you can write down Y complement Z. And when multiply, so this is the combination of your not plus AND gate, hence not and gate. In next question, question number 3, your question is P plus Q plus. If plus symbol is there, then only your OR gate here. So you can write down OR gate. In question number 4, P plus Q complement plus R complement. Plus is there means OR gate here. OR gate plus complement is also, so NOT gate is also here. So this question in P plus Q complement plus R complement. In this your gates are OR gate and NOT gate here. In next question, question number 5, A complement B plus C complement D. Plus is there, so your OR gate here. So you can write down here OR gate plus A complement B, multiplication is here. So again AND gate also here. And complement is here, complement C, complement A. So your NOT gate also here. So this statement is a combination of your OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. In next question, question number 6, your question is, from the expression given below, identify the logic gate that can implement such expression, and the statement is A complement B plus C complement D. Multiplication is here, so AND gate. So you can write down here AND gate. and one more gate here, plus symbol is there, so your OR gate also here, and complement is there, so your NOT gate also. So this is the combination of AND plus OR plus NOT gate. So in this question, your three gates are used: AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. In question number 7th, your question is A multiplication B complement C complement. So here multiplication is there, then your AND gate here. So you can just write down A and D AND gate, plus multiplication here. So your multiplication means your AND gate here, and complement means your NOT gate here. So this is the combination of your AND gate and NOT gate. Again we revise what is the NOT gate, how to draw the NOT gate. The NOT gate only one input is there. For example, when you input the X, so you can draw like this, and output always X complement. If you input X complement in NOT gate, we just revise here NOT gate. If you input X complement, then you can find out the output is X, and the truth table of this is X and X complement. If you input 0, then output is 1, and if you input 1, output is 0. And this is you call low. When you input low, you convert in high. So 0 means you are low and 1 means you are high. And here 1 means high and 0 is your low. So you can draw truth table in this way also. For example, if you input Y, then again same, this is the symbol of your NOT gate and output is your Y complement. You can write down in this way, or complement you can write down this way. Choice is yours. And we also revise the OR gate here. OR gate. In OR gate, your two or more than two inputs are there and only one single signals is your output. For example, X and Y, two inputs are there, so you can just write down X, Y, draw this, and you can draw in this way, and your output always is X plus Y. In AND gate, you can multiply here and you can write down F here. In AND gate, always you can multiply, but in OR gate, you can plus these. Okay. For example, we draw the symbol of OR gate using three inputs. So your inputs are X, Y, Z. So you can just write down straight line. After that, you can draw like this. And this is your X, Y plus Z. This is your output here, and this is your input. This is your input. These all are X, Y, Z is your input, and X plus Y plus Z is your output here. Clear everyone? So in next class, in previous class and in this class, we have completed our gate, and the basic gates are AND gate, OR gate, and your NOT gate. These are your basic gates, but two or three gates are also there. One is your NOR gate, next is your NAND gate, and next one is your XOR gate. But before these gates, we have discussed basic postulate of Boolean logic in next video. For this video, we have completed here only gates, AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. In next class, we have discussed about the basic postulate of Boolean logic, page number 61. Thank you so much everyone.